This tutorial review will show you how to warp text around a circle with Illustrator. First of all, click and hold on this rectangular tool and select Ellipse tool. Make sure to disable the background here and hold down the Shift key and draw a circle. And click and hold down the text tool. Select type on a path tool. Click on circle's border and type in your text and press Ctrl A to select all your text. From here you can change your font style. You can change font size from here. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.